Welcome back to Stoy Crypto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from one Xverse wallet to another wallet. So this is the wallet we'll be sending from. And this wallet is going to receive the Bitcoin. So what we want to do is we're going to click on BTC, then make sure you click on receive. And this is your Bitcoin address. All right, this is not where you would send Ordinals to. This is only for sending Bitcoin. Okay, so copy the address. What I like to do, let's see, is then open up Notepad and paste that address in that's going to receive the Bitcoin. So next step, let's go back to the wallet that's going to send the Bitcoin, which is this one. So this Xverse wallet, we're going to send some Bitcoin from. And so we're going to click on BTC and we're going to click on send and enter the amount. So let's just say 0.00015, which is $5. Let's go a little bit more. Let's say 0.002, which is at this time $6.95. Okay, so we're going to send that much Bitcoin to the recipient address. Paste that in. Again, I just like to verify. That's why I use Notepad, just to make sure that's correct address that matches with that one that we're sending it to, the recipient, which it does. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. Okay, I'm going to review the transaction. We're sending this much Bitcoin, which is in USD $6.95, to this Bitcoin address, and it's going to cost, let's see, around $3 in fees, and I'm going to click confirm. All right, so it has been submitted. You can see it on Explorer if you open that. Oops. So that will open mempool, where you can view the actual transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain and see where it's at. All right, so it looks like it's been confirmed. We have 4 confirmations. Let's go ahead and open up Xverse. So it looks like it was sent. So if we click on BTC, you'll see the transaction history. So you can see that today we sent that amount of Bitcoin to that wallet. So let's go check that wallet. All right, looks like we did receive that. So let's just click on Bitcoin transaction history. And yep, we received it today. This took about, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes to confirm. You can always make sure to open mempool, and you can see the transaction in real time and where it's at. And when it's confirmed, you will see that. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.